Hi, hello, good evening, my pretty, gorgeous and lovely ladies. How are you all? Hope you all are doing fine and healthy. I'm at Brand Mandir store to showcase beautiful ikkats and chaal roll tata nenu ikkats chupinchabothunnanu. My favorite and lovely handlooms. So wear handlooms and support weavers always. And let's start with the mannequins. Now back to our collections. The sari which I am wearing is beautiful white and red combination. Very lovely combination with a black touch. Very pretty sari, all over checks. Very gorgeous. All over body checks with ikat florals and blocks. And lovely kanchi border downside. Beautiful border, double border. One is elephant in black border and another one is lovely red color border with peacocks and kaddi. Very gorgeous. And lovely pallu. This is the kaddi pallu with peacock border. And blouse vachesi contrast with border and all over weave vachindandi. Chaala beautiful ga undi. And a gorgeous saree. Pricing and details, here we go. Ikat kanchi. Take a screenshot along with the code H399 and send us on 733 733 7000 and the price is 20,430. And before moving to our collection, do follow us regularly in Instagram and Facebook Brand Mandir page and YouTube lo kuda ma channel Brand Mandir ni like cheyandi, share cheyandi and subscribe cheyandi so that and press the bell icon so that whenever we upload new collection you will be getting notified. And for more collections you can log on to our website, that is www.brandmandir.com. and for customized blouses like this beautiful blouses, contact our brand R for Rupmani, another brand from Brand Mandir which is exclusive for the unique designs. Let's see another beautiful sari. Yeah, gorgeous mustard and navy blue combination. Very pretty ikat, all over triangular design. And beautiful border. It's a peta border. This is the beautiful peta border along with the florals, kaddi with florals. And this is the pallu, tissue pallu, side temples, kaddi pallu, and blouse vachesi contrast with border. Beautiful undi kada. And ee saree pricing and details. Take a screenshot along with the code I893. Price వచ్చేసి 11,160 only. Pravina garu, Shravanti garu, Sugna garu, Abhilash garu, hi and hi. How are you all? Keep on loving us, keep on supporting us like this, and I'll be bringing beautiful collections to all of you. Let's see another pretty saree. Lovely green with royal blue and pink combination. Very pretty saree. All over ikat cross lines. And downside we got lovely rounds with swans. Swans uchai and downside kaddi with florals and contrast blue border with zari lines. And this is the gorgeous pallu, contrast blue with lines and ikat florals and arrow booties. And the blouse is very beautiful, contrast blouse with all over ikat booties and border. So gorgeous saree, very beautiful saree. And this saree pricing and details 11,520. Take a screenshot along with the code I904. Take a screenshot and send us on 733-733-7000. Superb undandi, color combination chala baagundi. I just love ikats. And ఇవి ఎలా అంటే ఎలా కూర్చోబెడితే అలా ఉంటాయండి, ఫిక్స్ అయిపోతాయి, నీట్గా డ్రేప్ చేసుకోవచ్చు ఇక్కత్లో. సూపర్ ఫ్యాబ్రిక్ అండ్ మనం చెప్పినట్టుగా వింటాయి, మన మాట వింటాయి ఇక్కత్ శారీస్. అండ్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ రాయల్ బ్లూ విత్ పింక్ కాంబినేషన్, ఆల్ ఓవర్ చెక్స్ విత్ బటర్ఫ్లైస్. సూపర్ బటర్ఫ్లైస్, సో కలర్ఫుల్ బటర్ఫ్లైస్. And lovely border with kaddi, parrots and lilies and kaddi and temples. Sandhya garu, just wait andi, meeku mannequins just wait till show ends. Meeku mannequins sarees chupistanu ivanni ayipoyaka. And ee saree vachesi pallu contrast vachindi with checks and ikat florals వచ్చాయి. బ్యూటిఫుల్ లవ్లీ సారీ. అండ్ బ్లౌజ్ చూసేద్దాం. బ్లౌజ్ కాంట్రాస్ట్ విత్ బార్డర్ అండ్ చెక్స్, సో ప్రెటీ. అండ్ ఈ సారీ ప్రైసింగ్ అండ్ డీటెయిల్స్ టేక్ అ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ అలాంగ్ విత్ ద కోడ్ I822 and send us on 733-733-7000. And this beautiful saree costs 8,370 only. Ivanni viewers prices andi, only for 24 hours. And edaithe live video undo, it would be saved in Instagram, IGTV, Facebook as well as YouTube. So within 24 hours మీరు ఎప్పుడన్నా మీకు నచ్చిన సారీని సెలెక్ట్ చేసి వాట్సాప్ చేసుకునే అవకాశం ఉంటుంది. 8 viewers prices and lovely color, so pretty saree. Let's see another gorgeous saree. Beautiful orange and pink, very pretty, all over checks with beautiful peacocks and swans, cranes andi, the crane design. Elephants kuda vachayi, horses ivi, deers, peacocks, cranes and horses. And the border is contrast kaddi border. Pallu vachesi contrast with parrots and elephants vachayi pallulo, blocks lo. And blouse chusidam. Blouse vachesi contrast plain blouse with border, so gorgeous kada. Yeah. And the beautiful saree pricing and details 13,410. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733-733-7000. Beautiful saree, lovely color combination. And next is Sandhya garu. Seema garu, this is for you. Half white adigaru kada. It's a beige color with red combination. Very pretty. Plain saree. Downside we got huge cranes in blocks, florals and tree booties, coconut tree booties, and downside kanchi border. This is ikat kanchi Seema ji. Lovely kanchi border with horses, florals, and this is the kanchi pallu with blocks brocade along with the border, horse border, and gorgeous blouse contrast with border. Very pretty saree. You can go for customized blouse like this. See, even this beautiful blouse matches the saree, and you can go for this kind of blouses. If you want this customized blouses, just contact our brand Alpha Roopmani, another brand from Brand Mandar, which is exclusive for the unique designs. Any query regarding designing or customization, just WhatsApp us on 733-733-7000. And the beautiful saree pricing and details, here we go. 17,640 and the code is I896. Take a screenshot and send us on 733-733-7000. Beautiful saree. And beautiful fabric it is. And the most popular vachesi anything they can weave in the geometric style. Either it is elephants, peacocks, custom mottam anta geometric pattern untundandi weave anta. Beautiful animals, colorful prints untai, and lovely saree which is in peacock green and pink combination. All over checks with peacocks, deers, cranes and horses. Indaka chusina manam orange and pink combination lo another shade, another color combination with pink combination. Border is kaddi border. Thank you Sarika garu. And lovely pallu, pink color contrast with huge elephants. Beautiful saree and lovely blouse with border. And the saree pricing and details 13,410. Take a screenshot along with the code I900. Send us on 733-733-7000. Thanks for your lovely words, Sarika garu. Thank you so much. Beautiful. Let's see another beautiful saree. Wow, lovely shades with purple and pink combination. Very pretty combination. All over zigzag pattern with elephants, diamonds and florals. Very gorgeous saree, and the border is contrast with kaddi, and we got an edge contrast green color downside, and lovely pallu pink color with zari lines and florals. And blouse is contrast with border, plain blouse with border. And these beautiful saree pricing and details 10,530. Take a screenshot along with the code I895 and send us on 733-733-7000. I don't know, I love the ikat prints andi. Ikat sarees okati, kalamkari sarees okati, ఇంకా కొన్ని చాలా ఫేవరెట్ సారీస్ ఉన్నాయి. జార్జెట్స్ ఒకటి అండ్ రాజ్కోట్ పటోలాస్ చాలా ఇష్టం. అనదర్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ సారీ, లవ్లీ మస్టర్డ్ అండ్ గ్రీన్ కలర్ అలాంగ్ విత్ ద రాయల్ బ్లూ. ఆల్ ఓవర్ డైమండ్ డిజైన్ and lovely border, green and blue color combinations lo vachai, double borders, kaddi with florals, and downside it's a peta border. It's look like and complete diamond brocade. It's a diamond brocade, we call it as peta border, and lovely pallu, royal blue with kaddi lines and florals. First, thank you so much Andy for your lovely words, my gorgeous ladies. Thank you so much, and lots of love in return, and keep on supporting us, keep on loving us, and I'll be bringing beautiful sarees to all of you. And e saree pricing and details, 10,260. Take a screenshot along with the code I815. Send us on 733 733 7000. And blouse చూపించడం మర్చిపోయాను, happiness లో. And this is the blouse, contrast blouse with border. Very gorgeous saree, lovely orange and royal blue combination. ఈ saree overall look ఒకసారి చూసిద్దాం. It's another beautiful saree, and మనం చూసాం కదా ఆరెంజ్ దాంట్లోని ఇంకొక కలర్ రాయల్ బ్లూ విత్ పింక్ కాంబినేషన్ విత్ అ టచ్ ఆఫ్ గ్రీన్, ఆల్ ఓవర్ డైమండ్ బూటీస్ వచ్చాయి, అండ్ బార్డర్ వచ్చేసి బ్యూటిఫుల్ సిస్టమేటిక్ ఫ్లోరల్స్ and peta border in pink color, pallu contrast with zari lines and florals, and this is the gorgeous blouse, contrast blouse with border. Very pretty, right? Yeah. And these saree pricing and details same, 10,260. Code వచ్చేసి I816. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. Very beautiful saree. And ఇందాక నేను చూపించాను కదా ఇక్కడ saree, అదొకసారి చూసేద్దాం. ఆరెంజ్ అండ్ బ్లూ. Hi Andy, Drachna garu. Yeah, I'll be showing Kanchi Ikat. Next saree ade Andy vachestundi. Just wait and watch. This is the beautiful Kanchi Ikat, which is in parrot green with navy blue and red combination, tricolored. Very lovely shade. Very gorgeous Andy. And the saree is plain. Downside we got double borders. One is navy blue with elephants, and downside Kanchi border. Red color Kanchi border with peacocks, cross kaddi and florals, and lovely Kanchi pallu with diamond booties and florals along with the floral vines border. Contrast pallu, red color, and the blouse is also wow, so stunning blouse, navy blue with red combination. అద్రిపోయిందండి. ఆల్ ఓవర్ ఇక్కత్ వీవ్ వచ్చింది. ఎందుకో తెలుసా, మనకి సారీ అంతా ప్లెయిన్ గా ఇచ్చారు కదా, సో ఇలా వచ్చినప్పుడు ఈ సారీ లుక్ అనేది అందం అనేది చేంజ్ అయిపోతుందండి. అండ్ వెరీ ఫ్యాబ్యులస్ అండ్ ఫెంటాస్టిక్ గా ఉంటుంది. ఇఫ్ యూ వేర్ దిస్ యూ గానా బి జస్ట్ సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ అట్రాక్షన్, ఐ కెన్ సే, అండ్ ఐ కెన్ గ్యారంటీ. అండ్ ఆల్ ఓవర్ ఇక్కత్ ఫ్లోరల్ డైమండ్ బుటీస్ వచ్చాయి అలాంగ్ విత్ ద కంచి బార్డర్. వెరీ ప్రెటీ సారీ. And this beautiful saree costs 18,180. It's a Kanchi Ikat, and the code is I891. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. Hope you liked it. Darshana garu, and coming inka unnayandi. Just wait and see. Watch till end, and meeku edi nachina you can book. అండ్ ఇవే కాకుండా మీరు ఇంకా వేరే కలెక్షన్స్ కూడా చూడాలనుకుంటే కనుక వీడియో కాలింగ్ ఫెసిలిటీ ఉందండి. జస్ట్ డ్రాప్ ఎ మెసేజ్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ కన్వీనియంట్ టైమింగ్స్ on 733-733-700. Our customer executive will get back to you at that time and will be showing your favorite collections. From that you can select your favorite saree, and we ship globally within Hyderabad. We are providing cash and delivery option. Let's see another collection, another saree. Grey, white and red combination. One more lovely saree with all over zigzag design with diamonds, florals and elephants. And border is kaddi with geometric pattern and lines, thread lines. And lovely pallu, red color contrast with alternate zari lines. And maroon colored lo florals vachayandi, floral vines. Beautiful saree, and blouse is also very gorgeous. Contrast with border. So pretty saree and lovely. And e saree pricing and details. Here we go. 10,530 is the price. Take a screenshot along with the code I898. Send us on 733-733-7000. So beautiful, lovely saree. ఈ half white and red is the gorgeous combination, I can say. చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్ గా ఉంటుంది అండ్ కట్టుకుంటే కూడా చాలా క్లాసీగా డిసెంట్ గా ఉంటుందండి, చాలా బాగుంటుంది. అండ్ ఇది వచ్చేసి సింగిల్ ఇక్కత్ అండి. ఈ సారీ లైట్ వెయిట్ ఉంటుంది, బ్లూ అండ్ పింక్ కలర్ కాంబినేషన్ లో ఉంది. పైన అంతా మనకి ఓవల్ షేప్ బూటీస్ వచ్చాయి, డౌన్ సైడ్ అంతా జిగ్జాగ్ వచ్చింది, బ్లూ అండ్ పింక్. అండ్ border upper side we got yellow color border with kaddi and down side pink color with kaddi. Pallu vachesi diamond design with buttas inside, contrast pallu, and blouse is also plain contrast blouse with border. Superb saree. And ee saree pricing details vachesi 6,390. Take a screenshot along with the code I834 and send us on 733-733-7000. Do visit our store. It's in road number 56 Jubilee Hills near Peddamma Temple, and one more store is at road number 10 Banjara Hills, and they both are in Hyderabad. And we ship globally, and within Hyderabad we are providing cash and delivery option. Let's see another gorgeous saree, and which is in red and dark navy blue. It's a dark grey and navy blue ala anipistundi. All over floral booties vachayi, and downside we got dark grey and idi not navy blue, it's a grey. Diamond design వచ్చింది, highlighted చేశారు middle లో green తో and kaddi. పల్లు వచ్చేసి contrast with diamonds. Blouse is also contrast with border. And the saree price, it's a single ikat. 6,390 is the price. Take a screenshot along with the code I829. Send us on 733-733-700. Yeah, Lalita garu chuistanandi. Just have a look. Now back to our collection. Let's see another gorgeous saree. One more bright and beautiful combination, parrot green and pink. All over diamond booties, very pretty. And upper side we got kaddi border, down side we got kaddi with huge peacocks with heart shaped booties and florals. Pallu, complete geometric blocks. Blouse వచ్చేసి contrast with border. And ee saree pricing and details 8,370. Take a screenshot along with the code I837. Send us on 733 733 7000. Beautiful and lovely saree. Let's see another pretty saree. Wow. Beige navy blue with red combination andi. Chala pretty ga undi saree matram. All over downside triangular design ochindi. And beautiful border, kaddi with peda border and zari lines. Pallu contrast with diamond design and buttas inside. Blouse vachesi all over ikat design with border, contrast blouse, very pretty. And the beautiful saree pricing and details. Take a screenshot along with the code I886 and send us on 733 733 7000, and it costs 11,160 only. Lovely shade. And నేను ఇందాక చూపించాను కదండి white saree, beautiful saree. Let's have a look. Black and red, white and red. Yeah, these are pure ikats andi. We have two types of ikats, double and anni pure silks, but we have weave lo koncham difference anedi untundi. Single ikat, double ikat anedi. Double ikat is bit thicker in size and weave kuda chala beautiful ga untundi. And these are weavers prices and pure ikats, no doubt in it. And you all know Mandir never compromises in quality. Best prices with beautiful quality andi, and you can compare with the market prices also. And one more beautiful saree which is in pink and royal blue shade, very pretty saree, all over checks and star booties and diamond booties, suchai florals and diamonds, and lovely pallu, lovely border, contrast with elephants and peta border. And this is the pallu with checks, florals and diamonds. This is the blouse, contrast with checks and border. And the gorgeous saree pricing and details. Take a screenshot along with the code I832 and the price is 10,890. Send us on 733 733 7000. నేను చూపించే sarees అన్ని pure silks అండి at weavers prices. And let's talk about my silver jewelry. This beautiful neck set is with Kempu and C-sets and very pretty. 22,800. It's a pure silver. And my lovely earrings, pair of earrings, 2,200. Very gorgeous kada. It's another gorgeous saree. And you can visit our store. It's in road number 56, Jubilee Hills, near Peddamma Temple. And one more store is at road number 10, Banjara Hills, and they both are in Hyderabad. And if the live video on it would be saved in Instagram, IGTV and Facebook as well as YouTube. So ఈ మూడిట్లో ఉంటుందండి. సో మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా 24 hours లో ఎప్పుడైనా మీకు నచ్చిన సారీని సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకునే అవకాశం ఉంటుంది. అండ్ దట్ టు యుల్ బి గెటింగ్ ఇట్ వీవర్స్ ప్రైసెస్. లెట్స్ సీ అనదర్ ప్రిటీ సారీ. లవ్లీ గ్రే అండ్ రెడ్ కాంబినేషన్, లైట్ గ్రే. all over ikat, typical ikat design, ikat florals and diamonds, very pretty. Superb ga undi. And border vachesi kanchi border, contrast with peacock, elephants and cross kaddi, and beautiful pallu, contrast with diamond brocade and elephant border. Swarna garu, this is for you. Beautiful ga undandi chala. And let's see the blouse. Wow, this is the gorgeous blouse with all over ikat design. It's a contrast blouse with border. And the saree pricing and details. Kanchi ikat 18,180. Take a screenshot along with the code I887. Send us on 733 733 7000. Let's see the overall look of this beautiful saree. Swarna garu and Deepti garu. Yeah, inka chala unnayandi kanchi ikkats. Just wait and see till end. And ee saree vachesi yellow and blue color, very bright yellow. All over drop shape booties, ikkat booties, and downside very big border kaddi with peacocks and flying birds images and lovely temples and kaddi border. This is the pallu, diamond booties, ikkat diamond booties, and blouse vachesi gorgeous contrast blouse with border. And ee saree pricing and details 8,370. Take a screenshot along with the code I813. Send us on 733 733 7000. And we ship globally within Hyderabad. Cash and delivery option kuda available lo undi. Lovely color combination and bright yellow with blue color, very pretty shade. And Swarna garu indaka nenu chuinchanu kadandi kanchi ikkat saree, just have a look once. Now back to our collection. Let's see one more saree. Before that, log on to our website for more collections, that is www.brandmandir.com. One more beautiful shade, lovely blue with orange combination. Chala gorgeous ga undi saree color combination. And fade to mid skin tone unna vallaki adripotundandi color. And all over zari checks vachayi with florals and diamond booties in the middle. Border vachesi contrast orange color with peta border along with the elephants and round booties. Gorgeous pallu with checks, diamonds and florals. And this is the blouse, contrast with all over checks and border. And the saree pricing and details 10,890. Take a screenshot along with the code I835 and send us on 733 733 7000. And in 2 inches sarees anni prati okati pure ikat silks andi. And wear handlooms, support weavers. Let's see another gorgeous saree. Beautiful grey and stunning pink color, magenta pink shade, and all over geometric pattern blocks, small and bigger size, and lovely big peta border, very pretty border, contrast. And the pallu is beautiful, contrast pallu with lines and arrow symbols వచ్చాయి. అలాగే డార్క్ మెరూన్ షేడ్ వచ్చిందండి, వైన్ కలర్ లో మనకి ఫ్లోరల్ బూటీస్ వచ్చాయి. And we got a gorgeous blouse for this. See, contrast with all over ikat buttas and border. Superb ga on the blouse. And ee saree pricing and details. Ivanni exclusive ikkats andi. I899 is the code, 10,980 is the price. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. Very pretty. Lovely brown, dark brown with pink combination. All over parrot booties and elephant booties వచ్చాయి, ikat booties. And border is peta border. Pallu వచ్చేసి zari lines, elephants and parrots వచ్చాయి. And beautiful blouse contrast with border. And the saree pricing and details 10,080. 10,080. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. And we have very exclusive collections, Andy. We have our own looms. We always support weavers, so wear handlooms and support weavers. And we got very beautiful color combinations. Let me show you another pretty saree. Pink and dark navy blue, Andy. Lovely saree with floral booties. Navy blue border lo deers వచ్చాయండి, beautiful గా ఉన్నాయి. And we got green color border, kaddi, here also kaddi, and cross lines వచ్చాయి, ikat cross lines with green color. And this is the pallu, alternate kaddi and floral border వచ్చింది, very pretty. And gorgeous blouse with border, plain blouse with border. And the saree pricing and details 8,370. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Very pretty. Let's see another pretty saree. Wow, beige and red combination lo undi, chaala beautiful ga undi. All over checks వచ్చాయి, ఒక checks లో round and diamonds వచ్చాయి, alternate గా rounds and diamonds alternate. And kaddi border contrast. And this is the pallu, contrast with checks along with the rounds and diamond booties. And beautiful blouse contrast with checks and border. And a beautiful saree pricing and details 10,530. Take a screenshot along with the code I881. Send us on 733 733 7000. Very pretty saree. Let's see another gorgeous saree. Yeah, these are single ikat, lightweight and all over drop shape booties. And border is contrast with diamonds and kaddi lines, kaddi border. Pallu is contrast with diamonds, zigzag lines. బ్లౌజ్ వచ్చేసి కాంట్రాస్ట్ విత్ బార్డర్. అండ్ ఈ సారీ ప్రైసింగ్ అండ్ డీటెయిల్స్ 6,390. Take a screenshot along with the code I817. Send us on 733-733-7000. And let's see this beautiful blue and orange combination saree. Blue with orange and very pretty. Let's see another gorgeous saree. One more lovely ikkat kanchi andi, chaala beautiful ga undi, very stylish, simple and sweet. Purple, peach, blue, it's a multi-colored saree. Superb ga undi, all over diamond blocks, very pretty. And the border is kanchi border in purple color with beautiful peacocks and florals. Pallu completely floral brocade along with the floral border, floral vines border. And we got gorgeous blouse, plain with border, kanchi border. Superb ga undandi, chaala colorful ga undi and very classy. Any light shades, any beautiful olive green, light blue, peach color, light purple, amazing undi. And the saree pricing and details 17,640. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733-733-7000. Very lovely. And you know, our weavers and design experts will work hard for this beautiful colors, patterns, and chaala kashtapadtarandi oka saree neinchadaniki. And so we always support weavers, help them, support them, and wear handlooms. Meenal garu, yeah, navy blue but beige and red combination lo undandi. Just have a look once. Now back to our collection. Inka chaala sarees unnayandi, just be fast. Yeah, beautiful blue with pink combination and sea green, light touch of diamonds and florals all over. Ikka typical ikka design, and the border chesi blocks along with the kaddi and temples, and beautiful pallu contrast with diamonds. And blouse వచ్చేసి contrast with border. And ఈ saree pricing and details 8,370. Take a screenshot and send us on 733-733-7000, and the code is I839. Let's see another gorgeous saree. lovely pink and bottle green, very pretty shade, beautiful gandhi, all over ikat florals and buttas. This is the border, double border, one is in orange with florals and elephants, sambaris, and downside we got green color kaddi with plant booties and florals. And this is the pallu, zari lines with elephants. Blouse is contrast with border, superb combination. And this saree pricing and details 11,520. Take a screenshot along with the code I880. Send us on 733 733 7000. Let's see another pretty saree. One more gorgeous saree andi. Blue, peacock blue with blue combination, royal blue. All over drop shape booties and lovely diamond blocks and heart shape booties along with the kaddi in the border. And lovely pallu contrast with diamonds. And blouse vachesi contrast with border. And a beautiful saree pricing and details 6,390. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. It's a single ikat and very lightweight and soft. Another saree. Wow, peach and blue, royal blue combination. All over heart shaped booties vachandi, very pretty heart shaped booties. And ఇది కల్నేత్ వచ్చింది, yellow and peach color. See, and border వచ్చేసి beautiful plant booties వచ్చాయి with colorful kaddi, yellow and green leaves వచ్చాయి, contrast border. Pallu is also contrast with lines and floral booties. And gorgeous blouse, contrast blouse with border. And the saree pricing and details 8,370. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. And we ship globally within Hyderabad. Cash and delivery option kuda available lo undandi. And for more collection, log on to our website, that is www.brandmandir.com. And for customized blouses, contact our brand for Rupmani, another brand from Brand Mandir, which is exclusive for the unique designs. One more saree, cream, grey and pink color combination. It's a single ikat, all over zigzag design, and the border is diamonds and diamond booties along with the kaddi. It's a contrast border, and pallu is contrast with diamonds and lopala diamond booties vachai. Blouse is contrast with border. And the saree pricing and details. Take a screenshot along with the code I831. 6,390 is the price. Send us on 733 733 7000. Beautiful saree. Let's see another pretty saree. Lovely green and pink color, all over diamond design, bottle green, diamonds and florals, and border vachesi plant booties in the systematic line and pita border, pink color. And pallu is also contrast pink color with kaddi and floral vines. And this is the blouse, contrast with border, very pretty. And beautiful design andi, exclusive sarees. I'm showing exclusive pure ikat silk sarees andi, weavers prices. And code vachesi I819, price vachesi 10,260. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. And we have our own looms and designing team. Let's see another gorgeous design saree. Beautiful saree and lovely saree, peacock green, beautiful pink shade, all over this zigzag design వచ్చిndi. Pai vaipu downside We got very pretty elephants in ambaris with parrots, florals and peacocks, and border vachesi kaddi with florals and zari lines. This is the pallu, zari lines with florals, contrast pallu, and the blouse is contrast plain blouse with border. And the saree price vachesi 12,150. I902 is the code. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. నేను చూపించేవన్నీ ప్యూర్ ఇక్కత్ సిల్క్స్ అండి. అండ్ ఇందాక నేను చూపించాను కదండి హాఫ్ వైట్ అండ్ గ్రే, ఒకసారి పింక్ విత్ పింక్ కాంబినేషన్. జస్ట్ హ్యావ్ ఎ లుక్. Now back to our collection. One more gorgeous saree with blue and red combination. Yes, all over lovely florals and parrots. Very pretty birds design ochindi. And border vachesi contrast with peacocks and kaddi. And pallu is also contrast with elephants and all over diamond checks. And beautiful blouse with border. We have very unique collections and the unique selection. And take a screenshot along with the code. Pricing 10,530. Code vachesi I892. Send us on 733 733 7000. Let's see another pretty saree. Yeah, beautiful saree. Multicolors, all over diamonds. Ikat kanchi andi, very pretty multicolor shades. Very gorgeous saree. It's an exclusive saree. Beautiful pallu, kanchi pallu, floral brocade. And this is the blouse. Superb ga undi color combination. Seema garu, very pretty saree andi. I just love the saree. Hope you liked it because we got very lovely classy pastel shades in it, like olive green, blue, purple and peach color. Very pretty shades. So these are very exclusive sarees. Just if you like it, just go for it. And this saree pricing and details 17,640. I888 is the code. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. Next saree, bottle green and pink. Sarita garu, Vijay Rekha garu, thank you so much for loving our collection. Beautiful green and pink andi, all over ikkat diamond design ochindi, ikkat booties వచ్చాయి. Border వచ్చేసి contrast with temples and kaddi. Pallu is also contrast with beautiful diamond design. Blouse is contrast with ikkat buttas all over and border. Beautiful saree. And the saree pricing and details, take a screenshot along with the code I885. Send us on 733 733 7000. Sarita garu, Vijay Rekha garu, Gayatri garu, thank you so much for loving our collection andi. Keep on loving us, keep on supporting us like this, and I'll be bringing beautiful and gorgeous collections to all of you. Thank you so much. Let's see another pretty saree. Blue and pink, all over elephant design, and border is contrast with kaddi, elephants, peacocks, parrots, and peta border. Pallu is contrast with zari lines and elephants, parrots. Blouse is contrast with border. And the saree pricing and details 10,260. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. And we have lot of sarees and just we'll make it bit faster. And meanwhile the screenshot is got a marchipokandi. Another beautiful mustard with blue and green combination. Adripo in the saree aithe all over peacock booties vachai. Very pretty. And lovely border kaddi with zigzag design. And pallu vachesi cross diamonds with florals. And చూడడానికి ఇక్కత్ కంచి లాగా ఉందండి, చాలా గార్జియస్ గా ఉంది. అండ్ బ్లౌజ్ కూడా అద్దరిపోయింది, ఆల్ ఓవర్ ఇక్కత్ డిజైన్ వచ్చింది విత్ బార్డర్. సో ప్రెటీ. అండ్ ప్రైస్ కూడా మనకి వీవర్స్ ప్రైసెస్ లో వస్తుంది. I897 అండ్ ప్రైస్ వచ్చేసి 11,160 ఓన్లీ. టేక్ ఎ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ అండ్ 11,160. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. Beautiful shade andi, very lovely shade. And చూసారా మనకి డిఫరెంట్ డిజైన్ వచ్చింది, బార్డర్ కూడా చాలా డిఫరెంట్ గా వచ్చింది. See, all over ikkad blouse వచ్చింది. Let's see another pretty saree. Pink and blue. Very gorgeous combination all over ikat design, zigzag design ochindi, and lovely border, peta border along with the kaddi and florals. This is the pallu, contrast with lines and floral booties, and gorgeous contrast blouse with ikat booties and border. Superb ga undi idi kuda. And ee saree pricing 11,520. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. Let's see another pretty saree. Lovely green and pink, lightweight ikat pattu saree, all over heart shape and diamond booties vachai, and border is contrast with diamonds. Pallu is contrast with florals and butterflies. Lovely contrast blouse with border. And a beautiful saree pricing and details 6,390. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. Another gorgeous saree. Wow, navy blue with red, ultimate ga undi, all over zari lines with floral booties. Beautiful checks border, red and navy blue, and lovely meena weave. Meena weave ante fishes andi, very pretty fishes, and lovely zari lines and checks. Wow, gorgeous pallu, red color with kaddi and alternate fish and kaddi borders vachai with arrow booties vachai. Let's see the blouse. Very gorgeous blouse, all over ikat buttas and border. Very pretty. Superb ga undandi, combination matram adripoyindi. Just have a look. Very gorgeous. And for customize, you can customize the blouses like this on this beautiful exclusive ikat sarees. And for customized blouses, contact our brand R for Rupmani, and the brand from Brand Mandar, which is exclusive for the unique collections. Just drop a message on 733 733 7000 regarding designing queries. And ee saree pricing and details 12,150. Take a screenshot along with the code I882. Send us on 733 733 7000. Very lovely saree andi. Chala exclusive collection. And you don't find such designs everywhere, and these are exclusive designs from our own looms and designing team. Let's see another pretty saree. Pink and green combination. Wow, so stunning. All over leaf booties. Downside kaddi, big kaddi border with plant booties, elephants and parrots and temples. Gorgeous pallu with lotus booties and zari lines. Blouse is contrast kaddi border. And the saree price and details 8,370. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. Let me show you another exclusive ikat saree. Wow, beautiful saree. See, peacock blue, all over lovely parrots, cranes, peacocks, crane design. Alternate ga vachindi peacock and cranes, dual cranes idi. And lovely border. It's a lines vachayandi, thread lines. Contrast pallu, contrast border. And the diamond blocks vachayi with plant booties and florals. And gorgeous blouse, contrast with border. And this saree pricing and details 13,410. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. Beautiful sarees. Another gorgeous saree. Orange and pink. Very stunning saree. All over typical ikat design, florals and cross diamonds. And lovely peta border with floral vines border, contrast. Pallu is contrast with floral vines and zari lines. Blouse is contrast with border. And the saree pricing and details 10,980. Take a screenshot and along with the code I903 send us on 733 733 7000. Beautiful orange and pink shade. Ilanti lehengas ki baaguntayandi chala. Ala big border unnappudu. And lovely saree, bright blue with red combination ikat kanchi. Very pretty. All over elephants and cross diamonds. And stunning kanchi pallu with pastellays and florals along with the peacocks. Contrast pallu, cross diamonds with florals along with the beautiful peacock border. And gorgeous all over ikat design blouse along with the border. Very pretty and gorgeous. Lovely combination. And this beautiful saree cost 18,180. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. Superb saree. Another saree, bottle green and pink, all over diamonds with floral booties. Border vachesi diamond brocade, contrast border. Pallu, contrast pallu with diamonds and dotted booties inside it. Beautiful blouse, contrast with border. And the saree pricing and details I814, 10,160, 260 is the price. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. Yeah. Yes, Andy, Srijana garu, we got a beautiful fluorescent green. Just wait and watch. I'll be showing. Lovely dark grey with red combination. All over rounds. we got beautiful parrots and elephants in rounds and diamonds, and kaddi border, red color. Pallu contrast with alternate zari lines and beautiful heart shape and floral borders. And this is the blouse, contrast with all over ikat booties and border. So pretty. And e-sari pricing and details 10,530. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. And lovely sari, blue and pink color combination, all over floral booties. It's a leaf booties, kaddi border with deers and temples, contrast border, and this is the pallu, contrast with lotus booties and zari lines. Yeah, Srijana garu vachestundandi, blue color, lovely fluorescent green with royal blue combination. Here is the last sari and stunning exclusive sari for today, and all over zari checks, blocks, florals, kanchi ikat, very pretty border with round booties, yalis and horses, beautiful pallu, diamonds and border, yali and horse border, and blouse vachesi so gorgeous, all over typical ikat design, diamonds and florals along with the kanchi border. Superb ga undandi. And this is how it looks. And beautiful sari, pricing and details 19,800. I890 is the code. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Hope you liked it, Srijana garu. Yeah, if you like it, just take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. Thanks for loving our collection. Keep on loving us, keep on supporting us, and I'll be bringing beautiful collections to all of you. Let's move to the mannequins and their prices, then back to our collection once more. Lovely mint green with red combination, all over ikat diamonds, and beautiful peta border with temple, kaddi with temples, and the beautiful sari, pricing and details. Take a screenshot along with the code I910, price vachesi 11,430. Send us on 733 733 7000. For customized blouses like this beautiful blouses, contact our brand, R for Roopmani, another brand from Brand Mandir, which is exclusive for the unique designs. Another stunning sari, blue and red combination, all over checks with floral booties and downside border checks, multicolor checks with beautiful fish border and checks border, and the stunning sari, pricing and details 12,150. Take a screenshot along with the code I907, and this gorgeous blouse is from our brand, very pretty blouse. And the last mannequin sari, lovely mustard with red kanchi ikat, all over typical ikat design, beautiful kanchi border with paslays and florals. And the price of this sari is, take a screenshot along with the code I906, price vachesi 17,640. Send us on 733 733 7000. And this beautiful blouse is from our brand, lovely lotus design with studded stones and complete Zardosi weave. And for such kind of beautiful blouses, contact our brand, R for Roopmani, another brand from Brand Mandir, which is exclusive for the unique designs. Any query regarding designing, just WhatsApp us on 733 733 7000. ఇప్పుడు టేబుల్స్ పైన ఇంతవరకు మనం చూసిన కలెక్షన్స్ ఒక్కసారి రివైండ్ చేసేసుకుందాం. If you missed any screenshot, take a screenshot now and send us on 7337337000. Now let's move to the another table. Come. Some more collections are here. Hope you all liked our today's exclusive and lovely ikat collections. Meeku saree nachite kanaka ventane screenshot tisi maaku WhatsApp cheyandi 7337337000 అనే నెంబర్ కి. అండ్ we ship globally within Hyderabad. Cash and delivery option kuda available lo undandi. And you can visit our store. It's in road number 56 Jubilee Hills near Peddamma Temple. And one more store is at road number 10 Banjara Hills. And they both are in Hyderabad. Rep morning 11 AM live lo malli kaludamandi. And before that, the live video untundo, it would be saved in Instagram, IGTV, Facebook, alage YouTube lo. So meer 24 hours variki eppudaina sarees chusi screenshot tiyachu at Weavers Prices. Screenshot tisi maaku send cheyachu. Until then, bye bye and take care. Love you all.